This is it, the grand finale of our EXPLORA I Suite Tour series. And we're ending with an unforgettable high note, with the most iconic accommodation on board, the owner's residence. If you've been following along, you've seen some pretty spectacular spaces. But this one, it's in a league of its own. This is the largest suite on board, with over 3,000 square feet of absolute luxury. It wraps around the entire aft of the ship, delivering jaw-dropping ocean views everywhere you turn. And whether you're here to celebrate something big or just want to live your best life at sea, this is where it happens. Now let's explore, starting with the bathroom. The bathroom here isn't just a bathroom, it's a private spa retreat, heated marble floors, an extra-large soaking tub, and a full walk-in steam shower with a rainfall head and adjustable wand. There's a separate water closet with a bidet, and everything is wrapped in gorgeous finishes. The double vanity has loads of drawer space underneath, perfect for staying tidy. And yes, European USB and USB-C outlets are all available. And of course, luxury bath amenities are all waiting for you. And you don't have to share your spa bathroom. Just off the hallway, there's a stylish half bath that's perfect for guests. It's discreet, elegant, and ultra convenient. The walk-in closet just off the main bathroom is massive, with tons of hanging space, shelves, drawers, and a large safe. It even includes extra comfy robes and slippers, and plenty of space for that formal night outfit or two. The bedroom is serene, beautifully lit, and totally indulgent. That bespoke king-size bed, it's designed for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Fine linens, an extensive pillow menu, directional reading lamps, and bedside drawers with built-in US, European, USB, and USB-C chargers make it functional and cozy. Across from the bed, there's a large flat panel interactive TV with a soundbar, perfect for late night movies or checking ship info in bed. Just off the bedroom, there's a quiet nook with 2 comfy reading chairs and a table, an ideal spot to enjoy a book, journal your journey, or sip morning espresso with sea views all around. Need to get a little work done? This suite has a large, beautifully appointed workspace that doesn't sacrifice style for function. Plenty of lighting, charging ports, and space to spread out. Though, let's be honest, working here wouldn't feel like work. Now, here's where things really level up. The dining room features an elegant marble-topped table for 8. Whether you're entertaining friends or having a quiet dinner in, the suite's expansive room service menu means you can dial in style with private in-suite dining, arranged by your butler every single night. Plus again, you can order from any specialty restaurant on board. And there's smart storage for closets on both sides of the space, because even glamorous dinners need a little practical planning. There is also a dedicated butler service area where your residence manager can work discreetly to ensure your stay is seamless. Ready for a cocktail? The full bar here is stunning, stocked with your favorite spirits, wines, and mixers. There's elegant glassware, a fully stocked fridge, and even an espresso maker for that perfect after-dinner coffee. It's all here, and your butler will refresh it with drinks and snacks to match your tastes. The living room is next level comfort. Picture a yacht-style sofa paired with 2 super comfy chairs, an interactive flat panel TV, and hidden storage beneath the sofa. You'll also find a Swarovski viewer and a pair of binoculars for sea gazing. There's even a curated library, perfect for slow mornings or rainy sea days. It's a space that invites you to lounge, stretch out, and just breathe it all in. And if you like to work out, there's techno gym equipment with a workout bag, so you can get your fitness fix in with the sea as your backdrop, without even leaving your suite. And finally, the wraparound terrace. This is where the magic of the owner's residence truly shines. Stretching the full width of the ship, This terrace offers stunning, uninterrupted views of the ocean and sky. There's a massive outdoor shower, 2 ultra-relaxing bunny pads, and lounge areas with plush seating. And you have your own private infinity whirlpool. You'll find a full dining table for al fresco meals, chaise loungers, and a cocktail area. Honestly, you may never want to go back inside. The owner's residence comfortably accommodates 2 adults and 1 child under 2 years old in a crib. But if you require additional space for family or friends, you can reserve the connecting Ocean Terrace suite next door, which expands the capacity to accommodate either 4 adults or 3 adults and 1 child under 18. So there you have it. The owner's residence on EXPLORA I. It's private, peaceful, and packed with thoughtful luxury touches. If you're looking for space, service, and serious wow factor, this is it. Thank you for joining me on this tour and walkthroughs of suites and residences on EXPLORA I. If you've been following along, I'd love to know which suite was your favorite. Drop your pick in the comments, like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more solo cruising tips and luxury cruise content. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.